Hey guys, thanks for checking out Lemax Media's video on how to set up Outline Manager on Google Cloud Platform. These steps are pretty similar, on AWS and everything like that, but for this specific video, we're going to stick with Google Cloud. We're going to assume that you've already done everything that you need to with your firewall and VM instance on Google Cloud. So we'll skip that. If you need to see it, the instructions are right here within the application. We also have them on our website with a few additional details. So the first thing you're going to want to do is SSH into your server. So I've already done that right here. I'm already logged in using root over SSH. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here, Control C, Control V, paste that in there. Oh, there it is. And enter. And you'll get this prompt. If you don't have Docker installed already, some of you guys, depending on what you're using your server for, you may or may not have Docker installed. For this video, I actually uninstalled Docker for the specific purpose of showing this video and how it works when you have to go through all the steps. So yes, you do want to install Docker. Go ahead and let that go through. Alright, and that's it. All you got to do now is copy your API URL, paste that in, and hit done. Now you can see there's already keys in here. That's it. Alright, so now the next step is going to be to create an access key. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Get Connected. And we're going to connect this device, copy your key, and I already have Outline installed. It already automatically pastes it there. Click Add Server, and boom. There you have it. And just to verify, we are connected. It's just that easy, guys. Thanks for watching.